All right, let's begin match 48 in 3, 2, 1, go.
Every Red Alliance robot jumping off the line for that autonomous period. 10-3-55, that's Project Peacock. For the Blue Alliance, though, scoring some samples into the high basket. They've got 2 already, going possibly for a 3rd if they can. They don't quite get the handoff, though, as it falls back to the floor as our autonomous enters 10 seconds to go. 17-0-35 on the Red Alliance. That's Omega Factor Nightmares trying to do the same, but coming to a halt.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
158-47 towards the Red Alliance coming out of the autonomous period. Also, appears we have 5 out of 6 robots moving at this moment in time. On the Red Alliance, 11-279, Pure Imagination. They've got a sample in their control, rotating up their big ol' hand. There it goes. That's 8 points to the Red Alliance right there with that high basket score for the sample. They're trying again with another preset, dropping it off, and there it goes, right on into the basket for 8 points. Trying to get that last preset done by their end of the field. Getting a bit of traffic from Project Peacock of the Blue Alliance, but they get around each other and go back to score. 10-138 Newton Busters. They weren't quite quick off the line, but they are now in, trying to line up with a sample to try and get it in their manipulator, opting to go back for a pre-built specimen, lining up their claw, and they've got it, going up towards a chamber and scoring it high. That'll be 10 points to the Blue Alliance. 23-778, that's Itcan Robotics from Plano, Texas. They're cycling down to the observation zone with a sample being pushed along. Their human player now pulling it out and trying to place it onto the Alliance wall. Bit of trouble there, but there they go. Now it's staged for one of those teams to grab it and score on a chamber if they so choose. Here comes Newton Busters to do just that. They've got control of it with their big blue robot. There they go, cementing a control bonus on that high chamber there. The Blue Alliance has 3 specimens to the Red Alliance's 2. If that remains, that will be a 20 points control bonus to Blue. Match end is here. Looks like our first attempt off the ground is going to be Pure Imagination with the gold details on their robot. They're reaching up, lifting themselves up off their plate with an incredibly unique climber design. They've got their hooks over. If that plate gets in the air, they could get a 15-point climb, which is possible. Red Alliance has another robot up. 24-478 Engineers also up as time expires. 49, we have these scores available for match 48 here. Match 48 being the match most recently played on field 2. That match went to the Red Alliance with a score of 486-213.
All right, and now we are back on field 2. We are in the 50s for our qualification matches. Now let's meet our teams. We have team